Hey guys, want to learn acrylic nail sculpting? Well, it's your girl Natasha, licensed cosmetologist and salon owner of Creative Culture Cincy. I have some upcoming classes for beginner nail techs, okay? Upon registering for this class, you will receive a free nail bag. Within this nail bag contains every product and tool that you will need to properly prep for and apply your acrylic nail application. In each class, there will only be 6 attendees per session. Having this very minimum attendance allows for you to get your questions answered and your curiosity killed, okay? Using and learning different techniques taught by me, okay? I am gonna show you, teach you, and coach you through every step. You will also get to watch me do an acrylic nail application, and then I will watch you do an acrylic nail application on your model. Okay, so wait no longer. We are finishing out 2023 strong and completing our goals. So tap the link in my bio and register for this beginner nail class today.